So, Claire has been talking it up a bit lately. Reckons she can talk yacht. I'm a bit skeptical, so I've made up a little list of a heap of different boating-related words, and we will see how she goes. Test time. Here's the test. You have to...
Do I have to spell?
No, you don't have to spell it. You have to describe what each word is correctly.
Okay. What? Am I reading these out? Can you see that?
Yep.
You can see it? Or can't you see it?
I can see it.
Is this meant to be capitals?
Probably.
EPIRB?
Hmm?
You want me to tell you what that is? That's the safety thing the beacon that you take with you if you have to abandon ship and need to be rescued. I scroll. GPS. That's our location thingy. What is it? Geosatellite something, position something. MFHF. That's the long distance radio. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Do I have to say what it stands for?
You can if you want. You can try.
It's medium frequency, high frequency. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. Leeward side. That's the side you put the life raft on if you have to use the life raft. So...
Oh, more information? Not just life raft based.
Well, if the wind is coming across the boat this way, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's the leeward side. That's
Correct.
the windward side.
Yep, very good.
Okay. Tinny. That's two. Well, that's two things. That can be a boat, like a small little boat, or a can of beer.
Mm-hmm.
VMG. Velocity made good.
Yeah, what does that actually mean though?
I don't actually know.
Not many people do.
Something about speed and distance. Isn't that right? I don't know. Something you cook in?
Yeah.
You're talking about radio stuff, hey?
Mm.
Pan is the urgent call sign.
Hmm.
Mob. Oh, MOB, man overboard. Oh, that's Waldo. Waldo is the name of our wind vane. Starboard side.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the right side of the boat.
Yep.
Barometer measures air pressure. Jibing is turning the boat into the wind?
Nope.
Damn it! Turning the boat the opposite of that.
Yep.
Mayday is Mayday. What do you call it? Distress signal.
Mm-hmm.
Wind generator is the propeller that's on the back. Is that Securite?
It is.
So it's Mayday, Pan, and then it's Securite is the...
When would you actually use it though?
If you needed to give a safety notice on something in the water, or like something that's dangerous to other sailors.
A navigational hazard.
A navigational hazard, there you go.
Now we're getting tricky.
That's the satellite system that's used for the EPIRBs. COSPAT SARSAT.
Yeah. What orbit does the geo satellites in the COSPAS SARSAT system have.
What?
Mm.
One goes across the equator and one goes pole to pole. Is that right?
No, you're close. You got the theme right
Oh,
though.
whatever. Teak, it's the wood
Mhm.
of nearly everything in the boat. Sheet, that's not what's on your bed, that's every rope.
Mhm.
As soon as a rope is on a boat, it's called a sheet. That's Perkins is a brand of our engine. Nana, that's the N phonetic alphabet. Aft, back of the boat. Personal flotation advice, PFD. Saloon, or is it salon?
I don't know. It's one of them.
That's
Depends on where you live.
where you eat, where the dining table is in the boat. Top side. Ah, that's the shiny part of the hull, a bit of the hull that's out of the water. Is that correct?
Yep.
Yes.
It's not less.
Oh.
It's wind lass. But anyway.
Oh, you typed it wrong. Wind, you mean windlass.
Yes.
Windlass is the motor that pulls the anchor up.
Yep.
Why the hell is it called that?
I don't know.
Deck, the bit that you walk on top of the boat. SOG.
It's an acronym.
SOG. Speed overground.
Mhm.
Pirate.
Pirate.
Do you mean pirate?
Mm.
Like the people that everyone's scared of?
Mhm.
Okay. Flare, like. No?
No.
Like the safety thing.
Mhm.
Everyone knows what a flare is. Clue. It's a part of a sail.
Yeah. What part though?
The bottom corner.
No. Oh, it's one of the bottom corners.
The bottom corner that's joint to something. I don't know. Port. It's the left side of the boat.
Mhm.
Head. It's the toilet.
Mhm.
Galley's the kitchen. Tinny again. Spelt wrong. That's a beer. Furnace. In our boat, the furnace is the freezer.
Yeah. I haven't changed that label yet.
We don't have a furnace. Tack. Turning into the wind.
Yep.
Ooh, is that it?
There's 2 tacks at the end.
Oh. What's the other one?
The other one.
What's the other tack?
It's another bottom part of a sail.
Did I pass?
Yeah, I think you passed. Very good.